saucy questions for the group chat. Most likely to die single.
Lonely, I'm Mr. Lonely.
Who is the alcoholic? Who has the highest body count? Who do you bring home to meet the family? Looks like a baddie but is actually a softie.
You're my honey bun sugar plum.
Most likely to get scammed and not even know it.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
Most likely to become a model.
Wanna be on top?
First to die in a zombie apocalypse.
Dumb ways to die.
Most likely to get arrested.
That's the sound of the police.
Most likely to be found dead in front of their computer.